Okay, hi, we proceed with chapter 6, alternating current. So, first subtopic is 6.1, alternating current. 6.1a, define alternating current. And 6.1b, sketch and interpret sinusoidal AC waveform. As you can see here, we have two flavors of currents. Okay, first is direct current and the second one is alternating current. Before this, you have learned about direct current in chapter 3. Okay, so as you know that the direct current, the source of direct current such as battery, dynamo, they have polarity and the electron will come out and flow in one direction. That's why the value of voltage or current for direct current is constant at any particular time. Okay, how about AC? AC is alternating current that electron move in two direction, forward and backward. Okay, so they will produce the V or current, voltage or current change predictably with a particular time. Okay, means that at any position of time, the voltage or the current will be changed. So, demonstration of DC and AC. Okay, so what is alternating current? It's defined as an electric current whose magnitude and direction change predictably. So, here we have AC source and the load here. And then you can see that the arrow of the blue arrow is the half cycle of the electron move. And the red one is another half cycle of the electron move. Means that the electron move in two direction. Ataupun kita boleh kata current flow dua arah. Okay, positive direction and then negative direction to complete one cycle. Okay, so sometimes dalam AC you akan jumpa lah, dia akan sebut 220 volt with 60 Hz frequency. Maksudnya apa? Let's say it's 50 Hz frequency, means that 50 cycle in 1 second. So electron change 50 times per second back and forth, means that 50 time go and 50 time go back, and means that the current change 100 times motion. Okay, so when an AC source is connected to a circuit, the alternating current that flow through the circuit and potential difference passing through the resistor can be described by using IT and VT graph shown in figure. So you can see that it's represented by the sine function of time graph. Okay, this is graph I versus T. Okay, it's represented by the sine graph. Okay, the maximum point here we call it as peak current. And the omega T is phase angle. So equation for this graph is I equal to I naught sine omega T. Okay, same goes with the VT graph, also represented by the general equation of sine graph. So the maximum point here we call it as V naught. V naught is peak voltage. So equation is V equal to V naught sine omega T, whereas omega T is the phase angle. Okay, so omega is angular frequency or angular velocity. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. I naught is peak current, V naught is peak voltage, and T is equal to time. Terminology in AC, you also learned before this about frequency, period, and peak current is a new thing. Okay, frequency is defined as a number of a complete cycle in 1 second. So the unit frequency is hertz or per second. Period is defined a time taken for one complete cycle. The unit is second. So period is equal to 1 over frequency. Next is peak current. Peak current is defined as the magnitude of the maximum current. So the unit is ampere. And then you kena tahu what is a peak voltage is V naught. Is defined as the magnitude of the maximum voltage. So the unit is volt. Okay.